In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Amazon from Alibaba with no money. We're going to walk through a simple process using Alibaba's dropshipping feature so you can find a product, connect it to Amazon through a partner integration, and get it imported without buying inventory upfront. The idea here is to use a product supplier first instead of placing a bulk order, which can be helpful if you're trying to get started with very little cash. First, head over to Alibaba.com. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the tools you'll need. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to do that before moving on, because the next options are usually tied to your account dashboard. After that, go to your profile and click on My Alibaba. This will open the main account area where you can manage different features connected to sourcing, orders, and product tools. If you're new to the platform, this section can feel a little busy at first, so just focus on following the navigation exactly. When the new tab opens, look over to the left-hand side and click on Dropshipping. This is where Alibaba shows products that are set up for easier online selling, especially if you don't want to hold stock yourself. This section can save time because it narrows your search to products that are more suitable for this type of business model. Now browse for a product that you want to sell on Amazon. Take your time here and choose something that makes sense for the marketplace you're targeting. You want a product that looks appealing, is easy to understand, and fits the kind of customer you think will buy it. Once you've found a product you like, click on it. That will open the product in a new tab again, where you can review more details. This is the page where you'll usually see the supplier info, product images, and the options related to selling the item through a partner platform. Next, look for the Start Dropshipping button and click on it. This is the step that moves the product from simple browsing into the actual import workflow. Make sure you're on the correct product before continuing, since this is the item you'll be sending into your connected selling system. From there, import the product using your preferred partner with Amazon selected, and then click Import. This connects the item to the platform you're using to manage your Amazon listings and helps streamline the setup process. Finally, sign in to your partner account to complete the connection. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to continue with the import and move closer to listing the product on Amazon. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a straightforward starting point for selling through Alibaba without paying for inventory upfront.